All right, so here it is, my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $202.08 worth of goods, and it's all said and done. I had an overage moneymaker of $19.79, and as always, that total includes the tax. So we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. This is for the week of July 28th to August 3rd, or July 27th to August 2nd if you live up north out of the state of Florida. I'm gonna be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you get these deals right off and right away. And also trying to build my channel up, so please hit the like button if you like these deals, or if you like these videos, or if you like me. So let me get right into here, the 15 or so best deals of the week that I did this week. Some I did before, but I did them again because they came back in a bottle. So right now, let's start with these Nature's Bounty. Oh boy, Nature's Bounty Immune Jelly Beans. So the regular price of these are $14.99 each. So for two of them, $29.98. And always check the clearance rack. Every time I go to Publix, I check the clearance rack because they are on. This actually said $8.43, but it rang up $7.49. $7.49 clearance. So for two of them, cost $14.99. Check Ibotta. Ibotta has $14.99 back on two. So I submitted those to Ibotta, made them completely free. Also 10-cent Ibotta any vitamin, so made those two things 11-cent overage. All right, MorningStar. I did this deal. I talked about it a couple of days ago. Did it again. It got better. So the regular price of these are $4.79 each. They're on sale, so that'll be $8.58. However, they're on sale 2 for $7, so $7 for both of these. And there is a buy one get one free Publix store coupon from the Extra Savings book that took $3.50 off. Also, there is from the Kellogg's Family Rewards. I got the link, and as always, a detailed breakdown below. So I got the link to print this coupon. It is $1 off, and use two of them. Believe it's a limit of 4. So I didn't realize. I thought it was only a one Ibotta rebate for each of them, but actually there's more than one. So you can probably get 4 of these items, and you'll do better than me on this. But go to that Kellogg's Family Rewards, log in, sign up or whatever, and then it's on the bottom left corner. It says coupons. You click on that, and it'll bring this up, and you print, I guess, 4 of them. I only printed 2 of them. I got 2 of them because I thought the Ibotta rebate, as I mentioned, is $1.25 off, and the sausage link qualified for $1.25 off, and that chicken nuggets right there, 10.5 ounce, also qualified for the $1.25 off, and I believe it's more than one, so you could probably do it. It reloaded it as more this time. Regardless, I got 2 of them, making them $1 overage moneymaker right there on those. All right, AZO tablets. Did this deal before. I got 2 of them here, and I used 2 of these. It's not, I don't know if this coupon is available to print anymore, but hopefully you're subscribed to my channel, you watch my videos, and you've printed it before, so you have a few of them laying around. So regular price $5.58 or $5.59. So for 2 of them, $11.08. So I used 2 of these $5 off and $5 off coupons, making them only $1.08. All right, Phage. Did this deal last weekend. I did it again. So regular price of these are $6.69. So for 2 of them, come to $13.38. And there's a buy one get one free store coupon. It was right in front of the item. So that's kind of a dispenser. So that was or a blinky, some people call it, but it's not really in a blinky machine. Anyways, that takes $6.69 off. Ibotta has $2.50 off each one. When it reset, it's only $1.25 off each one, but I did the deal again with $1.25 off, and Ibotta any item was 25 cents, so $3.42 for both of these. And as always, I was working up to something. So happy gift card, you get $10 off your happy gift card. I was barely just saw this. I was pretty much ready to go to the store, and it popped up in my digital coupons. Always, as I said, my tip, clip all the digital coupons. That way you know of new ones. So this one came up at around 11 a.m. today. Clipped it, used it, and I used it again. I did this in 2 transactions. So each, going over $50. It was pretty easy to go over 50 in 2 transactions. And so that gave me $10 off in total. But I'll talk more about that in a minute. So the Phages were $3.42. Tates, this came back in Ibotta. We're gonna price $1.25, and if you clip it, pre-clip it, as I said, clip all the digital coupons, clip all your Ibotta rebates. You know, who wouldn't want more coupons? Come on. You know, so I've got all my Ibotta rebates clipped. I got all my digital coupons. That's my tip for you guys. Hopefully you're listening, but clip all those, so because that comes off, you know, automatically. I believe it's for the bigger size, but it came off, so I made that only 25 cents. All right, this deal I did before, and I did it again. Did it again today. So if you get the Zyrtec Children's, it's $11.99 for that, and the Band-Aid rolled gauze was $2.19 each. There used to be $1.99 at $2.19 each, so you're looking at $4.38 and $11.99, and that comes to $16.37 for both of them. And what you do there is a rebate. I'm not showing you in my last video, so that takes $5 off. When you spend $15, you're over $15 with your $16 or whatever. And there's also a $4 off manufacturer coupon from the Save July 17th, and there is a $4 off child Zyrtec store coupon. Now, I did notice this later, but it says for children 8 count, but they ended up taking it. They didn't read it, whatever. But I did see that, so you might have a problem with that, but they ended up taking it today, so that took $4 more off. $3 off for 2 in the extra savings book. This will be good till tomorrow, Friday, so I took $3 more off. There is a Band-Aid coupon that I do not have on the table, 75 cents off each one, and it's a limited one, but I gotta admit, I'm gonna get into this a little bit. My cashier didn't really care or nothing, but I'm gonna get into that a little bit later. So he took both of them. It did say a limited one, but he just scanned. He was in scan mode. He just scanned them both, no problem. So I'm just saying it worked for me. Yours might be different, and as I mentioned, $5 from that Activate Back to School rebate, which I got the link for that below, made those $1.38 overage when you do it like that. All right, keep it going. Another rebate here. So these Tena pads, regular price $5.99. So as you see, I bought 4 of them. That would come to $25.76 with the tax. The Band-Aid get the tru-stay 60 count right there. Those are $3.19 each. So what I'm getting at is when you buy 4 of those Tena pads, get the 20 count, and 2 of these Band-Aid tru-stay 60 count plastic or whatever, your total is over $30, which qualifies you for another Activate health and beauty rebate. I got the link for that as well below. So $25.76 for those pads, $6.38 for those, no tax on the Band-Aids. Your total comes to, let's see my math, oh gosh, around $32 and 12 cents, something 14 cents or whatever, 32.14. Yes, it is. All right, and there's a bottle rebate came back for me again. It was $3 off each one, so I was able to use 3. Unfortunately, I wish there was 4, but it was a limit of 3, so I was getting $9 back on those Tena pad rebate from Ibotta. Also, checkout 51 has $4 off of 2, so I was able to use 2 of those. So that gave me $8 back. As I mentioned, the Band-Aid store coupon gave me $3 off right there. I used that. And I used another one of those. This was another transaction, so I used one of those 75-cent off. 75 cents off from the 75-cent Band-Aid item from the Save July 17th. So that took 75 cents more off. And as I mentioned, you get $10 back. I haven't gotten that yet, but I did get approved for that when I did this combination. So that's another $10 coming to me in the mail, making that a 36-cent overage for the 4 Tena pads and the Band-Aid tru-stay Band-Aids. All right, keep it going here. So the Cetaphil facial cleansing cloths. These are regular price $7.49. So for 2 of them, would get you at $16.10 when you factor the tax. However, they're on sale, I believe 20% off or 25% off, making them $5.65 each, plus tax for them is $12.15. There's a manufacturer coupon for $4 off, and you go to their website, you fill out some kind of questionnaire, you sign your email up, and you get $4 off. It did not scan through, but as I said, my cashier just put it through for me. You know, I guess he liked me or whatever, or you know, just I'll get into. I'll tell you with this story about what happened. But anyways, he approved them both, put them both in. Now, if I was gonna do this deal, well, let me get into the total here. So, oh gosh, $12.15 for these total. I used 2 of those, $4 off. I took $8 off, and Ibotta has, for me, it had $2.50 off, limit of 3. So I used 2 of those. That's $5. So I had 85-cent overage. Now, if I was gonna do it again, I would have used one of those, and I would have used this coupon, and I would have got 3 of them, because there's about a bonus for 3. So if you buy 3, it would have basically came to the same total. Would have had a slight money maker, very little, but I would have had three items, because I would have got that $1 Ibotta a bonus there. All right, Wick warmer here, 2 transactions. So these were I bought 2 in the first transaction, 2 in the next transaction, thus my 2 happy gift cards, thus my $20 off my total. So these are regular $1.99. So for 2 of them, cost you $4.28 when you factor the tax. There is, where is the coupon for it? It's from the Smart Source, July 24th. It's for a free one, so completely free. I used 2 of those. And there is a Publix digital coupon for $1.50 off. And there's also coupons.com has $1.50 off. So as you can see, my cashier took off the happy gift card came off, the Airwick came off, the $1.99 he did twice. He did one as a store coupon, the other one as a vendor coupon. He took them both off. So, and as I mentioned, you know, he recognized me for it. Quick story here. I was through there a couple months ago, and I'm buying stuff. And for some reason, they didn't accept the coupon. And I said, okay, no problem. You know, take that item off. I'm not going to buy it. Now, he's a bagger at the time. And he says to me, he steps up. He takes his wallet out. And he's like, what is it? I got it. And I said, no, please, no. And so I kind of scared him, probably when I screamed at him like that. But I said, no, it's okay, you know, I'm doing this for the love of couponing. I'm not doing this because I need that item necessarily. But thank you very much for offering to pay when I decided not to get it because they didn't accept the coupon. And, you know, he's just, you know, he's a bagger and you know, takes out his wallet about to pay for my grocery because, you know, they didn't accept it, you know, and I went up to customer service and I said, look, you know, this guy right here, whatever his name, Chandler or something, give him a raise, you know, and I explained the story, you know, he offered to pay for my groceries. Turn around, a couple months later, he's the cashier now, and he was basically, oh, I got it, you know, yeah. You know, he put in all the coupons for me, no problem. He's like, oh, I'm like, yeah, you know, take that digital coupon off because I have this one. He's like, no, use them both. We got you. You use them both. He put that one through too. You know, no problem. So funny kind of story about that where he offered to pay because now full circle, he's my cashier and he took care of me. So regardless, I don't know, maybe he got good feedback from me. They listened to me telling him to give him a raise. Anyways, keep it going. Cetaphil, air warmers. I did that twice, both transactions. So, you know, for 4 of them, cost me $8.56. I used 4 of the free warmers, and that was $3.98 off. What was that? Wait, I factored it wrong. Anyways, I had a 3, 8, 56. I had around. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I had a $3.90 overage for 4 of these in the 2 transactions when I broke it down. All right, keep it going, man. Keep it going. Temptations, puree. So this is completely free on Phage. So regular price $8.69, $9.34 free Phage. Now I screwed this up. I just got word they didn't approve it because I got the wrong one. I got the 16 count. I was supposed to get the 4 count. But I'm faithful. I'm going to return it and buy the correct brand and get it for free. So, anyways, check your fetch. These are free. Or the 4 count is. I got the wrong count. Also, so Fetch Gatorade. Also get the 0 protein. It's $1.59 with tax, $1.71. Fetch gives you 100% back. That's 1,590 points. So it costs only about $1.59. So about 12 cents for that. And as I said, I'm always working out 2 transactions. Got another $20 off. All right, keep going. Silk 000. These are already $1.99 each. So for 8 of them, cost you $15.92. However, they are 4 for $5, $1.25 each. So for 8 of them, cost me $1.25. And there's a manufacturer printable coupon. Got the link to print that below. Basically, you just got to sign up on their website. And, it's usually like a limit. They only let you print a limit. I talked about this before in a previous video. But there was no limit. You just keep going back, refresh the page, select the coupon, print the coupon, refresh the page, select the coupon. And I did it for all 8. So I got 8 of them. That took $8 off, cost $10, took $8 off, only cost $2 for all those yogurts there. All right, Compeed, you got to find this in the foot care aisle. So these are regular price, $9.99, no tax on it, health item. And there is a $5 off manufacturer coupon from the Save 724. This is actually not the coupon. This is actually, it's like brother coupon, the one that's above it or below it. But the one you got to use is $5 off. It's right next to this coupon. So that took $5 off. Ibotta has $4 off, making that only 99 cents. All right, keep going. Stem multi-insect. These are regular. I've done this deal before. $7.49 each with tax, $16.10. There is a manufacturer coupon for $2 off of any one stem product. So I use 2 of those. Now, it says a limit of 1 identical coupon in same shop. I didn't see that before. But anyways, regardless, the guy was, as I mentioned, he just scanned everything. So that worked for me. $8.99 off of 2 Publix digital coupons. So click that. That'll come off. Do that. Let's see, I did that second, I believe. Or maybe I did first. So you got to, before, in the past, I would do the digital coupon at the end, and it came off. This time I wanted to make sure the happy gift card ones came off, and digital coupon, stem came off. Yep, Airwood came off. And I also had a Publix perk. It came off on both of them. So that took a lot off. Happy gift card off. Airwood got, so I was getting a lot of discounts. So anyways, stem, $7.49 each, $16.10 with the tax. $2 of the $2 off. This is from the Smart Source July 24th. That took 4 off. $8.99 from the Publix digital coupon. $3.11 total for these guys. All right, keep going. Come on, we're almost there. Kraft Mac and Cheese. Probably the worst deal on the table, but hey, I was gonna have a big overage, so I figured I'd do this anyways. These are $4.99 BOGO. So for 2 of them, they cost $8.98, but for BOGO they're only $4.99 each. $1.50 off of 2 manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source 612. That's actually its brother coupon, the one next to it. So that took $1.50 off. 50 cents off Ibotta rebate on both of these, and submit to stocking spree for about $4.90. So that's another $1. So it costs me about $1.49 for these. And as I mentioned, I got check your Publix digital account, because I had a Publix perk for $2 off when you spend $10, and I was way over that. So I had 2 of those when I separated the transaction. Also $10 off Publix digital coupon on any happy gift card. You can get the different ones, but I like this. Take my son to Dave & Buster's, Burger King, whatever. So that took another $20 off. Hit my Ibotta Weekend Warrior bonus, another $1 off. So once again, crushed it. $202.08 worth of goods. Had a $19, almost a $20 overage when it's all said and done. So once again, please subscribe to the funny looking guy right there. Just check out my other videos right there. I'm trying to build my channel up, so hit the like button. And throw in some other videos every once in a while, but count on me pretty much every Thursday to have a couponing video.